Hey everyone! The Aecooly Cold Air Ultra is more than a typical handheld fan, offering a combination of powerful airflow and a built-in misting system that creates a noticeably cooler sensation during hot weather. Designed for people who spend time outdoors, commute in the summer, or simply need quick relief from the heat, it aims to deliver immediate comfort in conditions where an ordinary fan would only circulate warm air. The device features a compact and modern design with a matte finish that feels comfortable to hold and easy to carry. Despite its portable size, it includes a responsive touchscreen interface that gives it a more premium feel than most personal cooling devices. Adjusting the fan speed is simple, with multiple power levels available, while the touch controls respond quickly and make operation intuitive. On its own, the fan produces a strong stream of air that is suitable for everyday cooling. However, the real advantage comes from the integrated water reservoir and misting function. Once filled with water, the Cold Air Ultra produces a fine, even mist that works alongside the airflow to rapidly cool the skin through evaporation. The mist is light enough to avoid leaving the user feeling overly wet, making it practical for use in humid summer conditions. In real-world use, the cooling effect is immediate and far more noticeable than a standard portable fan. Thermal imaging demonstrations clearly show a reduction in skin temperature within seconds after activating the mist, confirming that the device is doing more than simply moving air. This makes it particularly useful during outdoor activities, long walks, sporting events, travel, or any situation where high temperatures can quickly become uncomfortable. The package also includes several useful accessories that increase its versatility. Multiple interchangeable nozzle attachments allow users to direct airflow differently depending on the situation. A narrower nozzle concentrates airflow for stronger localized cooling, while the wider attachment provides broader air distribution. A small cleaning brush is included to help remove dust from the air intake and internal components, helping maintain consistent performance over time. In everyday use, the Aecooly Cold Air Ultra stands out because it goes beyond simply blowing air. The combination of strong airflow, evaporative cooling, responsive touchscreen controls, and portable design creates a noticeably more effective cooling solution than a standard handheld fan. Instead of briefly reducing discomfort, it actively helps cool the skin, making long periods outdoors more manageable even during hot and humid conditions. Overall, the Aecooly Cold Air Ultra successfully combines thoughtful design, practical portability, and effective cooling technology into a compact personal device. The touchscreen interface, powerful airflow, fine mist system, USB-C charging, and included accessories all contribute to a polished user experience. While it cannot replace air conditioning in extremely hot environments, it performs exceptionally well as a personal cooling companion, delivering fast and noticeable relief whenever temperatures become uncomfortable. For anyone who regularly spends time outdoors during the summer or simply wants a more capable alternative to a traditional portable fan, the Aecooly Cold Air Ultra offers an impressive blend of convenience, performance, and everyday usability. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.